My video guide will help you to remove the ransomware called Pings. Pings is a ransomware that may damage the files considerably. My video, however, is strictly for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will show you the negative impact of the ransomware and will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover at least some of your files. So before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your data without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But this ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. And so very soon you can see the consequences of the ransomware's attack. The ransomware is called Pings because it encrypts files and appends this Pings extension to the file names. The ransomware also reveals this ransom note indicating that files are encrypted and that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. Yet, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus program, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. So download the program through this official website, install it and start researching the system. The software is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on this start scan button and then the scanning will begin. But first of all, the application will update its anti-malware database, which is certainly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or any other types of threats. So then after the anti-malware database is updated, the scanning will begin, and at the end of the scanning you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found on the system. Of course, based on that summary of threats, some infections can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium. In this way, your data will always be protected from all further ransomware or malware attacks. So take your time and please pay attention to the feature called anti-ransomware, which helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data from further ransomware attacks. Now, speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover at least some of your files.